In this video, I'll show you how you can save your Canva projects into a PDF. It's very simple. To do this, just click the share button and now click download button. And here you will see a couple of file types. Like one is PDF standard, PDF print, PPTX, MP4, JPG, PNG, SVG, GIF. But we need to click or select one of these two file format. So what does it mean? PDF standard. PDF standard file format is for the PDF file if you want to make it for digital version. Like if you want to save it to your computer or send it to other people to share it or use it as a digital content, then you need to select PDF standard. Otherwise, if you want to download this PDF and then print it out, then you need to select PDF print. Because in PDF print version, if your image has a lot of visuals or visual elements, it will be very much suitable for PDF print version. So now I want to download it as a PDF standard version. So click here and you will see there are three options. One is flatten PDF. What does it mean? Flatten your PDF converts content of the design into a single image per page. It may increase the file size. And another is include notes. If your design has some notes, it will include the notes in the PDF. And the last one is compressed PDF. If you want to download your PDF with a very minimal size, then you can select compressed PDF version. So I want to click flatten PDF. It will make my design more lucrative. So now download, click the download button and my design is downloading and it has been downloaded. So now I open it. You see my design is in PDF version or PDF format. So you can now use it. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you feel this video helps you, please subscribe my channel.